Marhaba everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're making shrimp scampi. To start everything off, we're gonna boil some water, add some sea salt to it, then put the pasta in it, let it cook, and while that's going, let's make the sauce. Heat up a stainless steel pan, and this is how you know it's hot enough. If you put water and it evaporates, it's not hot enough. If it beads up like this, it's hot enough. Then what you want to do is add some oil, swirl it around in the pan until it coats everything, and that's when you add the shrimp. I then reduce the heat to a medium so it doesn't burn. You just want to leave the shrimp in there for about 2 minutes on each side. There's gonna be a bit of sticking in there because this is seafood, and we're gonna use all of that for flavor in the sauce. And after we're done with the shrimp, we take it out, put it aside, and then we start with the sauce. Keep in mind this is all happening while you're cooking the pasta. I started by adding some garlic butter, let it foam up a bit, and then you add some chopped parsley, and to finish it all off we go in with some pasta water to make everything come together and emulsify into a beautiful sauce. Add the shrimps back in, stir everything around to coat it really nicely, and then we add the pasta. What's really good about this recipe is that it's really simple, doesn't take a lot of time, and surprisingly doesn't taste a lot like the sea. That was lemon juice, by the way. In the end, you stir everything together to let the sauce coat every bit of pasta. I added a bit of pasta water to give it a bit more sauciness, let's say. After you're done, you just swirl some around with some kitchen tongs, serve it up on a plate, and after you're done with the plating, add the shrimps. I wanted to make them more visible, and they tasted really amazing.